Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, okay, thank you for subscribing. I know most of you guys have been following my video for quite long and you've seen me with my mouse pointer being highlighted. So I know most of you want to know how I'm able to do that. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how we're going to download Pen Attention. Pen Attention is the application that will help you to highlight your mouse pointer. So let's start. Yeah, first of all, what you have to do is you have to open your browser. After you're done opening your browser, you open this website. For the website in the description, so you can check it out. So after opening your browser and opening this link, you will find this Pen Attention 1.2. It's for free too. It will transform your mouse cursor into a destructive pencil pointer. This is how it works. It will highlight your text. You can justify the size, whether being too small, too big, the radius and the capacity of how you want it to be. So before that, let's go down to download this. You click on download and it's also trusted and it's free. So now you click on start download. So it's very simple and it will download. You go straight, download it, then that's all. You open. So after you're done with downloading, it will not either be on your screen, but rather where you will find it in your taskbar. So here is it. Here you click on it. First of all, you go to highlight settings. Whether you want a rectangle, a circle, you adjust the settings. So how do you want it to be? Want it too big or too small? You can highlight the capacity to whether it to be too faded or too deep. So now what you have to do is apply changes. When you apply changes, you click on close. That's it over here. So anytime you want to highlight your mouse pointer, you just go down to the taskbar, you click here, you click on highlight pen or mouse, it's off. You want to put it back on, the same process, mouse point, it will be on. That's it, and it's very simple. I know this video is very useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Peace. And I'll put in the link.